the introduction about the SAP, what are the topics we are going to discuss here, and also what you will get in the training and practical servers and all those things we will discuss here. So here in our session, so I see that some of the people are aware of what is SAP. Some of the people maybe they are not sure about the SAP also here, right? So basically SAP is a application software, right? It's a kind of a software. It's not like that operating system, network, and some other database. SAP is like a application software. Application software that that business runs on this software here, right? So what is the abbreviation of the SAP? If I talk about, it's like a systems, applications, and product in business data processing. Systems, applications, and products in business data processing. In business data processing here. Suppose example, in your business, if you want to process the data between the server, between the system, then definitely you require the application here, right? So SAP is the global leader in ERP, a global leader in ERP here, enterprise resource planning software here, right? It's a founded in 1972 by five ex-service IBM people, five ex-service IBM people. So they have founded this. They have founded in 1972 by five ex-service IBM people. That is called the in German people. They have founded this SAP software here. So then, what is the how the SAP is helping to the business here, right? SAP software, SAP software helping to the so worldwide. So the software is helping to the organizations to run on business process. Suppose like the finance sector, or HR business, or supply chain, sales, manufacturing, many industries, they are in an integrated way that is helping to the organizations here, helping to the organizations here, right? So there are the many use cases, many business use cases here. Why SAP? First of all, why SAP is required here, right? So why? Because business use SAP because integration, all the departments, right? The mainly for the integration side, integration side. So all the departments like finance department, HR department, sales department, procure department, and production department use one system, right? They use one system integrated way. They have to manage all the payrolls for those employees. They have to manage the all the manufacturing industries, all the sales, production, procurement, everything. So that should be in the automated way. So that integration all will be integrated here. And also the real-time data, the real-time data here, real time. So which means it will immediately update the across the all the business systems. It will show the real value here. And also it is the scalability. It will fit for the small, medium, large companies also here. Normally we will call it as the scalability here, right? Scalability here. And also compliance. It's meet the global regulatory industry standards. Will follow the compliance, and there are the many innovative functionalities also available in the many innovative functions. Innovative functionalities also available. AI related things, right? ML, analytics, cloud. There are the many innovative things they have integrated into the this. So this SAP here, right? So SAP is just not like a one application software that help to the all the departments here. So SAP they have the products and solutions are available in the solutions here. SAP the products, they have some many products in the market, and they have many solutions in the market also here that helping to the business here, right? Suppose like we have the ERP systems, ECC, S4HANA, CRM, SRM, right? So they have the BI, BW, right? So there are the many products SAP available here, right? So the traditional ERP is on the on-premises. S4HANA is the next advanced version of the ERP that runs on the HANA in-memory database. So that is available in the on-premises as well as the cloud here, as well as the cloud also. That is available here. On premises and cloud also it is available here. So, and also they have the platform layer also here, BTP and technology layers, platform layers, and SaaS products also available here. They have the industry, the line of business solutions. As I mentioned here, they have the business solutions also available, right? Line of business solutions like success factors, employee central integrations, right? Ariba, Concur, right? And also they have the field glass. They have so these solutions also SAP is available. Workforce management, right? The Concur is like travel and expense related thing. Ariba is like a procurement and supply chain related. Then success factor is like a human capital management, success factor, employee central related things. They can use it here, right? So they have so many. Not only just they have products, they have the solution. They have own solutions also available here, right? They have the own solutions also available in the market here, right? So they have the architecture. They are simplified with the architecture also. They have simplified the architecture also here. Architecture means in the SAP we have the three-tier architecture here. So one is the presentation layer and application layer and the DB layer here, right? So we have the GUI, right? We have the GUI and we have the application layer, GUI and application layer, and so DB layer also available here, right? GUI, application layer, and DB layer also available here, right? So in this way, so here the your SAP application will fit in this layer, right? DB fits here in this layer here. So here the users will log in from here, right? Users will directly interact with the application. That application will store the business data into the in the database layer here. So the this is the all the business logics will be executed in the application layer. Then database layer will help to store the data and everything here, right? So here the key terms we are discussing about the what is GUI, what is ERP, what is the application layer, what is the DB here, right? The client server architecture, right? Transaction code shortcut to the SAP screens and everything here. So customizations and everything here, right? Sir, you said like 1972 they have founded the SAP. Then what are the new improvements and new things are happened in the business here, right? So in the 1972 they have founded. 1979 the first product, the mainframe based product they have released for the customers here. That is called the R2 architecture. Then later, then R3 architecture that is based upon the 1992. It's a client server, the modeler for the ERP, something like that. They have released it here. Then R2 means real-time two-tier architecture. R3 means real-time three-tier architecture here. Then slowly they have changed that ECC as a central component. Then ECC in 2004 they have released into the market here. Then after that they went to the S4 HANA. S4 HANA started with that 2015. They have started releasing the S4 HANA version here. So now they have the concepts is called the Rise with SAP. Rise with SAP in 2021. It's a cloud-based business transformation as a service-based concept they have introduced here. See, in 1972 to 1972 till now, we have how they have changed and they have how they have innovated the technologies and everything here. This is their business navigations and everything here. This is the key evaluation of the SAP here. How they have so released and they have started all these things in the 1972 to and 2004 we have here, right? So here we have with us we are not only one person to work on the one SAP system here. With us we have the multiple departments of the people like functional departments like so we have the FICO, finance people, material management people, and sales people, and the HR people, and so there are the many number of functional people will log in here. Then the technical consultants like the technical people like the above developers, and so we have the so Fiori developers here above development only. So then we have the basis persons, basis admins. We are also technical teams here, right? We also comes under the technical team. Then HANA consultant, integration consultants, integration teams. There the many people will comes under the picture. So we are the the main persons. Why? Because why I called as the main person means we are the responsible for to build the SAP systems, build the databases, operations, monitoring, administration part, and also maintenance activities. These and all the things we will cover it here, right? So then, in short, SAP is the world's leading ERP software that integrating all the business process into the one system that available on the on-premises or in the cloud that is powered by the SAP HANA and BTP solution. Nowadays, cloud-related solutions also in the market here. Cloud-related solutions also in the market here, right? So cloud-related solutions also available in the market. Yeah, see how the one business software they have entered into the 1972 in the market. Then till now, how many innovations they are doing, how many innovations and what are the changes, new technologies, new functions, new enhancements, many things they have. So many things. So they have changed in the market here. Still they are growing in the market. That's why SAP is the one of the ERP leader in the worldwide. It's a ERP leader here, right? So let's talk about the some of the real-time example of the SAP usage, how the SAP is helping to the customers here. Some of the real-time examples we'll see. So some of the real-time usage, the real-time examples. Let's talk about the real-time example. Suppose like here, let's talk about the order to cash. Suppose like O2C, right? Order to cash process. How this process in the SAP it is helping to the business here, right? Suppose example. So imagine a company. There is a electronics, right? There is an electronics company. They sells laptops, so they use the S4HANA system here. So they are selling the laptops. They are using the S4HANA system here. Then, so here the customer place an order, right? The first one, the customer means the people will place an order here. Then sales department use the SD means the sales and distribution they are using here. So then they will use they will sales department, they will use the some transaction codes to create the sales order for ordering the 100 laptops the customer is ordering. Then it will check the pricing, credit limits, and stock availability. Then here that will check here the SD, the team, they have to do the configurations and all the things will happen here, right? The finance, FI team and everything, it will be helpful, right? So then O2C process, one company, they want to sell the laptops, they use the S4HANA system here. The customer orders 100 laptop, 100 things here. Then the step number 2, immediately the warehouse prepare a delivery, right? Once this everything is done here, then warehouse prepare a delivery here. The warehouse team get the delivery note from the SAP saying that so the goods, so this is the customer ordered 100 laptop. Then immediately the goods issue. Then when the laptop they will order means the warehouse prepare the delivery. Once the delivery is done, the stocks are also available, stock inventory levels and the stock also reserved, everything is okay. Then the laptops are shipped and the goods issue is posted. Then immediately the billing and invoice and customer payments, and automatically it will clear the open invoices. Finance team see the updated cash flow and everything here, right? The behind the screens and everything, we know only, okay, we are ordering the 100 laptops. Then the team will receive the order. Then immediately team will check the availability, everything, then amount, pricing, then order delivered, payment is done. Then all the everything is done. Then we know only these screens, but behind the screens, the behind the screen, what is happening here? The SD, the sales team handle the order and invoice. The will updated the stock, and after invoicing, then FI finance team will create the accounting entries and everything. The controlling team will track the revenue and the cost. Then here there are the multiple people, there are the multiple teams they are involving here. All the modules are worked together in the real time, right? All the modules here, all the modules are they are worked together in the real time here, right? That is the way SAP it's integrating the all the business departments and everything here, right? So that is the outcome is customer ordered smoothly. Then the management get the real-time reports on the sales, stock, revenue, no manual data transfer, everything is integrated into the SAP here. This way, SAP is the powerful one system connects to the sales department, finance department, warehouse department, procure department, and management in the real time here, right? So that is the main thing here, right? So let's talk about the like that only one business process we discussed. Like that we have the order to cash, procure to pay. They have the many business process in the live in the example here. Let's talk about the one more example here. So let's talk about the DB side, HANA DB system replication. So HANA DB side, let's talk about this one here, DB and BTP side. Okay, let's talk about the next real time one of the example here. So some of the ABC company banks, suppose like there is a XYZ bank, XYZ bank that runs on the S4 HANA and HANA database with high availability. HA is enabled, right? Banking means definitely it should be high availability sector, but because if the banking services are down in the during the business hours, it will be very this one, right? So the what will exactly happens in the real time here? The primary node failures, then immediately the replication. The suppose like the banking transactions are running, in case of some databases crashes happen, immediately the failover will happens to the hardware failures or something is happens, immediately the failover happens to the secondary node due to a hardware failure here. So here replication in action, automatic failover. Then but even though your application continuously to run it, users in the S4 HANA, they don't get notice of the downtime and just a few seconds delay, but all the transactions will continue on the new primary. Then outcome is banking operations runs 24/7 without zero data loss. So that's why we can say thanks to the HANA HA availability also here, right? High availability mode also without downtime also we can add it here. So real time, suppose like one of the manufacturing, suppose like if we take the banking sector, how it's a real time, it is why because banking sector means 24/7 it should be operate. Then in this case, how critical we have to install it the SAP here, right? Suppose like if you see the SCB Standard Chartered Bank that is running on the that is running on the SAP only, right? So suppose example, some of the manufacturing, suppose example is just suppose some of the suppose like let's talk about the S4 HANA and BTP here, right? One of the manufacturing company, they want a mobile app for the field engineers for their field in why because manufacturing field means there are some field engineers to check the spare parts and everything. They need some mobile app to check the stock in the S4 HANA and everything. So they have the problem is SAP standard Fiori app does not have the required field service stock view and everything. They don't have the functionality. But here solution via BTP, they can create a customized UI app in the BTP that connect to the backend S4 HANA system via cloud connector. They can deploy the app here. The outcome is higher. The field engineers to reduce the spare parts delay by 40%, improving the service efficiency and everything, right? They don't want to check in, go and store level, calculate the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that here. Reduce the delay of the spare parts, they will reduce it here. This is the one of the real time. So real time examples here. So where SAP is successfully helping to the business process here, right? Successfully helping to the business process here. That's why SAP is very important. I see nowadays many customers they are moving to the SAP. Suppose like take the Coca-Cola, right? IRCTC, Indian government, right? So many customers, not only just IRCTC, Coca-Cola, right? In central government, in the state governments, right? Worldwide, the many customers, many businesses they are running on the SAP. Many business, many things they are running on the SAP because so it's a easily we can adapt the screens or customizations, right? It is helping to the business in the real time. So that's why many customers they are using the SAP. But anything we are the basis consultants, so we need to help on the so implementation of the SAP for business implementation side. We need to help and the supporting the operations 24/7 support and performing the maintenance activities, right? We need to perform the maintenance activities. So all kind of fixes and everything we need to work on this part here. We need to work on this part here. That's what. So SAP, we are the main persons for the team, core team. We will do the all kind of monitoring, support projects, maintenance projects, upgrade projects. So ETC, we will help to the business here. right? So development teams also will play the very important for development, functional people. So many teams they will help it, right? But we without us, without basis team, how they can log in? Why? Because we are the person to install the SAP system. Then without us, how they can log into the SAP systems and do that one here, right? So we are also main important persons. We are the technical team. Though we are not going to write any coding in the here itself. It's a technical purely the technical activities which we are going to so discuss in our regular classes here. Okay, so this is the SAP here, right? Yeah, the many modules in the SAP which is helping to the business here. Depends upon the your business, depends upon the your field. So then we can use the so we can do the we can install the respective product here. Respective products we can install it here. Then SAP products. They have the many products are there. ECC, BW, CRM, S4HANA, Fiori. So they have the APO. They have the so SCM, SRM, CRM, many functionalities, many business processes are live in the system here. That will helping to the business here, right? That is the main important thing here. Okay. So here the thing is here we need to do the get the exposure on the all the basis related tasks and every time here every area we need to do the help we have to help it here. So our classes will run coming to the our classes here daily 1 hour we will take the classes here. So then so timings are not these timings, maybe some people are confusing, maybe we are starting the classes at 11 o'clock. This time means it's not the 11 o'clock. So the new batch maybe that's let's decide that one. So what is the timings will start the classes and everything. So but you will get the as part of the you will get the so documentation videos and you will get the server access to practice the SAP related topics and everything, even implementations and support activities and maintenance activities, whatever we required as a real-time person. So all the things we will discuss in our regular classes here, right? So the first one which we are going to discuss about the implementation project in the day one. So in the implementation, what we do and what the how the requirement will come, how the companies will get the projects and all those things we are going to discuss. We are going to explore on the that things also here, right? So then that is the one of the so our course agenda in the upcoming classes. And so in that class only we will discuss about the versions and everything here. So that is the main thing here, right? So why? Because earlier so there are the 10 different, like earlier we don't have the, when we don't have the softwares, we have to manually add the entries in the ledger books and everything, right? Ledger books and notebooks, we have to prepare the, suppose like one of the manufacturing unit, all the salespersons related data, attendance and everything, we have to manually do it. Nowadays, everything is got automated. Just with fingerprint, your attendance will be noted. So instead of using the 10 different softwares, 10 different these things for so one SAP ERP software is helping to the all the business areas and everything. That's why it's a real-time insights for the and automation of the workflows, approval, payrolls, introducing invoice and everything, compliance, everything will be helping to the business here. For employees, it is helping. For companies, for customers, all those things the SAP is helping here, right? So example, let's take the as I mentioned, right? The Coca-Cola, right? The Coca-Cola, how it is using the SAP manufacturing, the global supply chain and everything here. The production, their shipping, sales, billing, finance, all will run Coca-Cola project, right? All will run on the SAP side here. So this will Coca-Cola deliver the products faster, track the cost in the real time, optimize the distributions and everything in the worldwide here. So this SAP is helping by integrating the all the business process, real-time insight, automation of the task, ensuring compliance, enabling the innovations, cloud, AI related functions, many things nowadays it innovated, right? So this way, like that IRCTC, our central government project, with a single click, we are going to book the tickets and everything, right? So then like that, we have the many projects are in live, right? Banking sectors, many industries. What are the industries? Like many industries, yeah, many industries they are serving here. Just not only one industry like manufacturing and sales industry. They're industry in their manufacturing, retailer, energy utilities, banking sectors, finance sectors, public sector, healthcare. telecom department, transport department, agriculture, food, real estates, many departments they are serving here in industries in SAP. So it's like a they have so all the solutions, all the industry related people they are using the SAP things they are using here. SAP software they are using for their business and everything here, right? So that's why SAP is very important nowadays for the business. So customer who wants to go for the ERP software SAP is helping to them to automate their business process and everything here. In that, our role is the administrator role, key role. We will help to the business to the preparing the systems, installation, support, daily monitoring, and everything. This kind of stuff we will do it here. This is about the our roles and responsibilities here, right? So in the our first class, we will discuss about the like it kind of a implementation projects in the